Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to change the text pop-up level in Everything is Scrub. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From here, make sure you go to Accessibility settings. In this menu, look to the bottom. Here, under Text Pop-up Level, you can simply change this. As the tooltip suggests, none. No text pop-ups, minimal, only critical info such as statistic and mushrooms. Player only, anything related to the player. Everything, enemy stats too. Simply choose one of the available options. I will go with, I don't know. Honestly, I think I will go with everything as the default. But after you make your choice, you can simply close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, comment and like the video.